Hello guys, now I want to show you how to install Windows operating system on your PC using copy paste method. There are no need to boot image files or using other process, as for example command prompt. Let's see the installations process step by step. At first, format the pendrive in NTFS format, file format, which are actually needed, very important. Now find your bootable files, means operating system files. After operating system files, wait a second, operating system files, I got these files. Then Windows 7, actually I used Windows 7 because user friendly. Windows 7, this is the bootable files which are actually booted before. If you want to boot the image files, then these files are actually extract, encrypted. These files copy and paste your chosen pendrive, which is used for installing the operating system. So at first copy the bootable files, which is actually booted before, and bootable files stored in your folder. If you have not these files, then boot the image files and get these files, and all these files copy and paste this pendrive, which pendrive is actually in NTFS format, should be NTFS format. Actually use these files all time for saving times. So now copying these files, all files are in my pendrive, so I should, yes, all files coming in your pendrive. Then now restart the computer and set the brightness. Keep in mind, if all files are read only, then you cannot install operating system. So uncheck the read only option and then restart computer. Elapsed time is actually depend on your operating system configured files. Now I am going to BIOS operating. I am to set the boot priority device. Where, sorry, you cannot see at this time. Wait a minute. Now you can see. System for advanced security boot exit. You should go to the boot device priority and choose the first priority of your pen drive. Here actually priority is actually USB HDD, which is my pen drive. If not, then you can choose priority using F5 and F6 in Samsung. I think all function is same. Now enter F10 and yes, exist saving change. Now you can see Windows is loading files using copy and paste method. I think if you try this method, then you have got a problem. I think Windows is loading files. Now you can see all files are loading. Now starting Windows. Now if the Windows all files are loading completed and complete the process, which will come on screen for installing Windows operating system, and you will get the new operating system. Now click the install now. I think you know how to install operating system nowadays. So I want to see you actually how to install operating system. Basically Windows on PC, whatever. Main thing is pendrive or bootable files. If you have bootable files before, which is created before, and copy these files on your pendrive and then restart. Keep in mind, pendrive is the first priority in booted file. In boot option, you can check what is the priority, then you should go going through into the installing operating system. Now format is completed. Next, this is the next step, expanding Windows files. Also the expanding, which is actually inside of the pendrive. Best thing is you should know how copy and paste method is working. This is the short-term tricks you can use. I think if you try this method, then you have got a problem. If you have a problem, then check the pendrive and your machine. This is if I use SanDisk pendrive, then this method can't working. This is actually HP pendrive for Samsung. I guaranteed that if you use HP pendrive or Samsung PC, then this process work correctly, properly. If not, then check whether your Windows file loading or not. Or no. Now I can change my boot priority in your operating system because the operating system is installed in my computer. So change the HDD. Okay. Pendrive is third priority. Long length. First, second, third, then. Now process is completed before some requirement setup is upgraded HT setting. It will take some time, as same as 15 minutes. 15 is a big time. 10 minutes, under 10 minutes you can see completing installation. Completing installation, if completed, then you can use your operating system and desktop view is in your screen. Actually, I want to see the all process step by step. Otherwise, if you want to see this video, then you can see. Otherwise, you can skip, because I want to show you actually how to operating system is installed in your PC using copy paste method. No boot or no command prompt using. So this is a very interesting way you can install your operating system in your PC. Starting with there are several times actually computer restart for completing the installing process. Now I think this is the last step. Setup is preparing your computer for first use. After that, video checking is come, I think. Sorry. Video performance checking. Here you enter your computer username, actually personal computer PC. Next, you can skip this step. Next, use recommended setting. Mind it, if you want to install important updates only, then you can click install updates, installed important updates only. Otherwise, you can basically use recommended settings. This is the better option. Now I'm showing on Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi. Perfect. Next, you can select your time zone area. In this area, you can install Windows 7, 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, Ubuntu, Kali, Emacs, Price. All operating system you can install using this copy paste method. This is a very interesting link. If you boot an image file one time and keep this file in your hard drive, then again and again you can use these bootable files and copy this file and paste using this method. This is a very interesting, I think. So operating system is installed properly. 32, no, NTBs is better. If you file system is choose NTFS, then you cannot use other devices, for example DVD reader or CD reader or music playing. For me playing music, you cannot use this pendrive. Actually, those devices are not accept this format, so you can choose the FAT32. So this is the process, easy process you can use all time. And if you like this video, then share this video